What is up, guys? GilstrapTV here, and today I have my spritzer bottle. We'll be sneezing on people. Enjoy. Huge shout out to Manscaped for sponsoring this video. You know I talked about their Perfect Package 2.0. Well, this is the Lawnmower 2.0. Little status update. This thing has not failed since. This thing has been amazing. It's by far the best trimmer I have ever used. It's still starting up like a priest. It still has the power of a Chevelle SS, and it's killing it every day for me, boys. I just want to let you all know that, and having faith in me, and I have a lot of faith in them now. So if you guys want your own Lawnmower 2.0 or Perfect Package 2.0, you can use code GIL20 at checkout for 20% off, and let's get back to the video. Picks were fast as lightning. Everybody was kung fu fighting.
Oh, did I talk?
Yeah. No, I need Dayquil.
Obviously, you're not guilty of it, but we do have some guys that I mean, I've had guys with cameras like on their shoes and stuff like that.
Oh,
or,
no, that's sketchy.
Walking around following, like some of the teenage girls, they get real sketched out. You know, like, why is this guy wearing black following me?
Yeah. Oh, God.
Want to be Bob Ross.
I think they're waiting to your class. I'm sorry, dude. Do you have a Kleenex? No. Oh, okay.
No, last year was my first time ever.
Oh. I will get this down. Yeah. Oh, I should have. No, I understand. I should have took NyQuil or something. I'm so sick. Oh.
That's about it. No, but
I should have took NyQuil. Yeah. So stuffy. Do you guys have a tissue?
I do.
I was just messing around. We're just doing a prank video.
Really?
It was just water.
Wait,
Yeah.
you didn't sneeze all over me?
Yeah, it was just a water bottle. Yeah, that's all we're doing. He was over here, but now he's over there. So yeah.
Wait, do you actually need a tissue?
No, I don't need a tissue. I was messing around.
Oh!
Nice. I didn't see that. No, dang it. Yeah, it was just a prank video. Sorry, guys.
Oh my god. Wait, was I in your video then?
Yeah, you're on the video. Yeah. So it's cool if you guys are in it.
All grossed out. She was like,
Yeah, don't be grossed out. No, it's just a prank video.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. Feel better about it. No germs are spread. Thank you. See you guys. What is up, my dude? So before I get into the outro and then the vlog after that, I want to pose a question to you guys. You guys know I do the awkward dancing on the escalator. I wondered if you guys want me to upload a version of that without the music in the background. I've been getting a lot of comments asking for that because they like the cringe. They like it without the sound. They just want to see what it's like. So if you guys want that video, let me know in the comments below. It'll basically be the old clips. I'll just take the music out of it, but I can do like a long one, just like all the footage of that. And if you guys want that, just let me know. It'll be an extra little video for you guys if you guys want it. Let's get into the outro and the vlog. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to hit that like button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And if you feel like it, hit that join button. It helps me out a lot. And I appreciate every one of you that already have. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. We just had a little daddy-daughter date. Where'd we go?
Movie.
We went to the movies.
Yeah.
What'd we watch?
Superhero.
We watched superheroes. We watched The Incredibles 2. She liked it a lot. And what'd you eat a lot of?
Popcorn.
Did you get a big popcorn?
Yeah.
Yeah. We had some popcorn. She loves her little movie dates, so we'll probably try to do them some more.
I didn't have more big popcorn.
You didn't have more big popcorn?
No.
Elena, you looking cute with your little bag. Come on, my little shopper.
I know popcorn.
That's called a rain stick.
Not the rain stick.
Mm-hmm. It makes the sound of rain. Turn it upside down. See? That's from Great Grandpa.
Good grandpa got you this?
Mm-hmm. What are you doing?
I just gave Mark spanking.
You're giving the water a spanking? What you gonna do, Chris? What you gonna do? Oh! 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 Did you get one?
are you getting this? You getting
You
this?
getting this? You getting this? Dude, that sucks. Alright, I want to make it even worse. This is for the game. So.
It's not going to, trust me. I see into the future.
Oh, bad. You unscrewed me over, Chris. Congrats.
Yeah. What's good?
Oh.
No.
Let's go, boys!
Ow.
Oh, and we're back at it again, big fella. Dude, shut up. Oh.
How is this possible? Oh my god.
Tapping pretty hard there, buddy.
Hold on, wait on the
Oh, 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 oh. This is nerve-wracking. How you feeling?
I definitely should be a heart surgeon.
Yeah. Dude, this is nuts. Jesus.
Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Dude, this is sketch now.
No, this is hella sketchy. We'll go. This is the lowest one. Yeah, I don't even know if you want to go up there.
It's not, I see this put one right
Yeah. Shut. That hurt so bad.